Hello, we're here to talk about hope. During this time of Mother Day is coming around, and many people may not have a mother, and they think that, this day is hopeless. That day will be a hopeless day because mom is no longer here. But I want you to know that you can continue to have hope. Why do I say that? Hope is important because it gives us strength to keep going, especially when we're tired, scared, or stuck. Many times we get stuck in a situation or we get in a rut because we don't have hope. We allow situation to damper our hope. We allow people to speak into our lives, and what they're speaking is hopeless nonsense, negativity, and all of those things begin to put the flame out of hope. Because if you got a spark of fire on the inside of you and it represents hope, that flame will continue to burn as long as you continue to strive, as long as you continue to move forward in your purpose. Hope allow you to understand this, that there's always an opportunity and a chance for you to reach that goal. But when you stop hoping, you stop trying. When you stop hoping, you lose your motivation. And then the bad part about it, you have people around you that think the same way, they feel the same way, they're doing the same thing, and all of it is hopeless because they're not going anywhere. Hope causes you to come out of the rut. Hope causes you to come up holding your head up, saying, you know what? Today is going to be a better day. Every morning you wake up with hope, knowing that it's going to be a better day. Just one little thing that just sparks the hope on the inside of you gives you a clearer picture of what the day is going to be about. We have to understand hope is the inner light that refuses to be extinguished. Don't allow anybody to snatch your hope. Don't allow anyone to trample on your hope. Hey, I just wanted to give you a word of encouragement about hope. I hope you like this video. Leave your comments and I'll make sure that I read them and answer and respond to your comments. And we're going to continue to talk about hope because it's all about being empowered by hope. Don't allow anyone to put your fire out of hope. Enjoy.